How's it going, pranksters? Welcome back to another prank video, and right now I'm gonna show you guys 3 simple yet funny pranks that you can set up at home on friends and family using styrofoam cups. Things can get messy, so prank at your own risk. Check it out.
Alright guys, let's get started with these pranks, and our first prank requires you to have 2 cups, a balloon. This is a water balloon, by the way. I already filled it up with water. And you're also going to need a push pin like this. Now on this cup right here, guys, I've already attached a double-sided piece of tape because that's where I'm going to stick the push pin on. Just like this. Make sure that it's super straight and that it's pretty sturdy on there. Alright, so at this point we set up 1/2 of this prank. Now the other half, like I said, we have the water balloon ready to go. And then we got a regular looking cup. Now this cup on the bottom, we're going to poke a couple holes on it. So stab it. Something like this will do. Now we're going to take the water balloon and we're going to throw it in there. Just like that. And then we're going to take the cup and leave it sideways. The cup with the push pin is actually going to go inside, but not all the way, of course, because we don't want to set off this prank on ourselves. So we're just barely going to leave it in there. And that is it, guys. That's the whole prank. So let's say you left this on the kitchen table or the kitchen counter. If your mom or dad happens to walk by and sees these and they're cleaning, well, guess what they're going to do? They're going to try to stack them up. So since this one's already kind of in, they're just going to push it in all the way and this will happen. And if you can see, kind of reddish colors because I put some Kool-Aid in there, but it was pink lemonade. Anyway, guys, instant results right here. See, the push pin punctured the balloon and it caused it to pop. And since this had openings on the bottom, the water went all over the place. And if your parents weren't cleaning, now they have an even bigger mess to clean up. See how simple these booby traps are, guys? Remember, I have lots more at my channel, so check those out after this video. For the following prank, you're going to need a styrofoam cup like this one. And you're also going to need a baggie. This is a sandwich bag. You can find this in your kitchen. We're going to take this cup and we're going to cut off the bottom just like we do with a lot of our pranks. Just like that. Alright, so far so good. We're going to set this aside. We're going to take our little baggie. We're going to open it up because we're actually going to fill this up with some Kool-Aid, which I have prepared here in this bottle. So I'm going to pour some in there. Alright, this amount will do. So I'm going to take the Kool-Aid and I'm going to put it inside the cup. Just like this. You guys can push it in. And then since the top is visible right here, and you can clearly see that there's a bag in there, we're going to cover it with another cup. So just leave it on there. Now, if somebody comes over, they can either push this down and cause a mess like this. See? But this next scenario can also happen. Someone might actually pick up this stack of cups, and when they do that, this will happen. It'll actually drop, guys, because of the opening that we have underneath. For this next simple booby trap you can set up, you're going to need 2 cups. Now, these cups can be styrofoam or plastic as long as they're not see-through. So if they look like this, where you can't see the inside, then that is perfect. You're also going to need some rice. So what I'm going to do here is, I'm going to pour some rice inside one of the cups. About 1 inch of rice will do. Yeah, this stuff gets all over the place, guys. I'm just going to take the other cup and put it over the rice. So I'm going to cover the rice. Then what I'm going to do is take this stack of cups and flip it upside down. And I probably poured in a little bit too much, but that's fine. It didn't make a huge mess. So I'm going to clean these off. Right, so I made a little mess that I just cleaned up. But the bigger mess is inside the cups. So next time somebody comes over and maybe they need a cup for a drink that they want to pour themselves, well, they're going to lift up the top cup. And this is what's going to happen, guys. Yep. all that rice will scatter all over the place. And rice is not easy to clean up, guys. It gets annoying because they're little small pieces and they go all over the place. So yeah, it's a mess that I would get annoyed cleaning up. If you're a true prankster, you're gonna try this out on your parents.
Well, there you guys have it. 3 styrofoam cup pranks that you can set up right now. And to learn how to set up more household pranks like these, check out my channel and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, pranksters. I'll see you guys in my next video.